Hello everyone, welcome to 3 Camp for Mathematics and Computing in Nature 2025.
We would like to share researching to you. Our topic is investigating the relationship between NDVI and LST in Trang in Thailand.
What is NDVI? It stands for Normalized Difference Vegetation Index. This is simply a scientific resource used to assess the health of vegetation in a particular area of the Earth's surface. What about LST?
It stands for Land Surface Temperature. It also a useful scientific resource used to assess the surface temperature of a particular area on Earth.
So our team of 12 students, one teacher and one scientist went to the field and collect some good data using our infrared thermometer. We collect data from 4 separate islands, including Muk, Gradan, Wan, and Chuk.
Also, we collected similar data from remote sensing sources to compare the validate our ground data. It was interesting to see that our field data was a match with the remote sensing data.
In this research, we used 3 global protocols including land cover, surface temperature, and normalized difference vegetation index.
My friend, catch!
Furthermore, we clean our data and analyze it using 2 techniques. The first was ANOVA, which stands for Analysis of Variance. This helps us appreciate the difference in LST value for the X surface type we measure.
From our analysis, we were able to deduce that green and wet surface like grass, tree, and water bodies had the lowest LSTs, while compact surface like concrete, asphalt, and metal has the highest LSTs.
This of course has significant implications on the urban island heat effect. It tells us that urban areas absorb and retain more heat during the day because of the predominance of this high temperature surface.
Before we give the distribution for this problem, let us discuss the second type of statistical analysis we conduct. This is technique we call Person correlation. It is a statistical technique that allows us to compare the 10 of 2 or more variables to understand the relationship between them.
Correlation is measured from correlation coefficient, which range from -1 to 1. In the case of only 2 variables, negative values would mean that their relationship is inverse or in opposite directions. If positive, it means they are moving in the same direction, and if zero, it means they are not related at all.
That said, our research contained 2 variables, including NDVI and LST. We compared the average NDVI values and LST values for each of our 4 islands and observed that the correlation coefficients were as expected negative. Hey! Watch out!
This was an interesting outcome which validates our research problem suggesting that area that more tree in a particular surface area will lower the temperature of this area.
To conclude, we suggest from our research findings that in order to lower temperature in urban areas, increase green space such as grass. This will not only lower the temperature but also improve the beauty of the environment.
Thanks for your kind attention.